How to record a video in MP4 in Android. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you can follow up the simple steps. So for that, in your Android device, you can head over to the recording option, usually a camera app or something similar. You just need to go ahead and open it up first. Once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you can head over to the option that says video, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, you will be finding this interface. Now from there, you can go ahead and hit the record button, this red one with a circle. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and after tapping on it, it will start recording the video. Once you've recorded the video, if you want it in MP4 format, you don't need to do anything. So usually when you hit the record button using the normal application of your device, the main camera or video recorder, it will automatically be saved in MP4 format. If you are not sure, you can head over to the video and tap on the three dot in the bottom to look for the details. After that, tap on details. And when you do, you should be finding your video already in MP4 format. So that is it. That is how you basically record a video in MP4 format in Android. You just need to simply hit the normal record button and record video how you normally do, and that's it. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.